Hello Scorpios, welcome to my page, and in this video I'll be doing your current energy check-in as to what's going on right now or what you need to hear. And I'll be taking one card first as an overall energy and then take the clarifiers. Thanks for joining me here. Okay, let's see what's the overall energy for Scorpios. What's the overall energy for Scorpios? Okay, the Page of Wands. So you are ready for a new beginning, even if it is at a small scale or a small step forward towards a journey or towards a relationship or towards some path. So pages are, they are small steps, but yes, full of vitality, full of zeal. It's a new beginning. You're taking a step forward towards a new beginning. Let's see what that is. What is this Page of Wands here for Scorpios? So for the Page of Wands, okay, we have the Eight of Swords, the Three of Cups, okay, the Six of Swords, Three of Pentacles, and the Nine of Cups. So Scorpios, you are definitely ready for, or even you've started this new beginning, but whatever this new beginning is, it wasn't easy for you to make that first move. Okay, this first move was really tough due to some reason. And with the Eight of Swords, what I feel is there is a lot of something which is really capturing you, or there is a lot of reluctancy, hesitancy in moving ahead or taking that first step, because you really needed to liberate yourself or let go of many things before you make this first move. Or maybe still you have to let go of something. These can be some experiences of the past, which can be failures, which can be some belief systems, which can be some notions, some opinions. Okay, it can be anything which had to be released, which was it was holding you back from this taking this step forward. It was really tying your hands. It was not letting you move ahead. They were not letting you take this step forward. But you have ultimately, or at least you want to, in the I should say recent future, I can say that. So it is something you want, a new beginning, or you've started it. If you've already started it, it was something really tough. So this first move is really difficult. That's what I'm trying to say. But with the Three of Cups and the Three of Pentacles over here, see, it's such a beautiful energy here. It's a reluctancy. With the help of family and friends, help of your kith and kin is helping you to let go. And again, you have that family and friends step of a companionship, and you have your wish fulfillment, to put it in short. So I'm really being drawn to the beauty of this deck over here, the cards, the Eight of Swords, and then you are taking help of your friends. You are taking help of your loved ones, be it your family, be it your close friends, be it whosoever it is whom you find really trustworthy. They are really helping you to come out of this, whatever is holding you back. Okay, and with the help of these close knit family members or friends, you are able to release this past. You are choosing peace. You are moving towards peaceful horizons. You are able to let go of whatever was holding you back, whatever was tying you down, whatever was weighing you down. May be a emotional baggage or whatever it was. Okay, these friends and families are helping you to release those patterns, if they were patterns or whatever it was. They are helping you release it. Okay, and after some time again you really feel that, okay, I have come a certain way, I really need them again. It's something like that. So again you have that support, that community, that friendship. Or maybe after letting go of whatever this was, you are again collaborating or teaming up with. So it can be the role of these family and friends once again in your life to ultimately give that final push or a final move towards your wish fulfillment. Or these may be different people whom you are collaborating with, teaming up with. Okay, you are forming a closely knit community, a team of family members, a closely knit system over here, which is helping you to achieve this happiness for whatever you have begun over here with the Page of Wands, or whatever you are planning to begin over here. Okay, so they may be different. Okay, this is once you are able to let go, you are teaming up with certain people, it is community, it is tying up closely. Okay, moving as a team in coordination and helping each other grow type of a thing. So it is something like that, and it is giving you a lot of emotional fulfillment. It is wishes come true, dream come true type of a energy over here. Okay, so what I feel here is it is all with the help of the family and the friends and your closely knit groups, your trustworthy people. Or if you really don't have them and you are finding it tough to move ahead or release whatever needs to be released, then this is the guidance coming up, that you need to take some help, you need to collaborate with people, go back to your friends, go back to your loved ones, reconcile with them, spend quality time with them, and they are the ones who will help you to come out of this. Okay, whatever is holding you back, and that is going to give you a lot of wish fulfillment. On your happiness is it's like your happiness is as a byproduct or a product of whatever you call it, of your friends and your teamwork. It's something like that. You need to collaborate with people, you won't be able to do it alone. You really need people in this, and you need to teamwork or collaboration, your loved ones, you need people with this, you won't be able to do it alone. So Scorpios, I just hope it helps, and thank you, bye.